there's one hairstyle that will forever remain a staple, it's braids. And if you wear braids all the time and need some new ideas to rock in 2022, then you're gonna be hella inspired by these cute looks. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you 3 cute and easy braided hairstyles to try in 2022. If you are new to the BeBeautiful channel, then please go ahead and subscribe right now and also ring on the bell icon for further notifications. The first hairstyle is a headband braid. Start by creating a horizontal section from ear to ear. Leave the front section of hair and tie the rest of the hair at the back. Now let's start braiding. Take 1 to 2 inch wide portion of hair from the section, divide it into 3 equal parts and create a 3-strand braid. Continue braiding along the hairline, and while you're at it, pick up small sections of hair and weave it into the 3-strand braid. Once you reach the opposite ear, stop picking up strands of hair to interweave into the braid and simply continue plaiting the hair until you reach the end. Once you've braided the hair, secure it with a hair tie. Now open the back hair and hide the end of the braid underneath the hair with a bobby pin. And there you have it, a boho-inspired headband braid that will impress all who gaze upon it. The second hairstyle is a 3 braids braided hairstyle. For this, take a section of hair from the front and create a 3-strand braid. Once you reach the end, secure with a hair tie. Now take a section of hair from the back from one side and do the same 3-strand braid. Repeat the same on the other side as well. This hairstyle is so simple but looks so elegant and chic, doesn't it? The third hairstyle is a side braid hairstyle with a twist. Start by taking all of your hair on one side and secure it with a hair tie. Now take 2 sections of hair from the opposite side of the ponytail and bring them together and secure it with a hair tie. Repeat the same process till you reach the end. I have wrapped some hair around the hair tie to cover it up. Tug on the sections to make it look fuller. Now to make the braid a little quirky, I'm going to add a fancy hair tie at the end. I love how this hairstyle has turned out. I hope you like these 3 cute and easy braided hairstyles that you should definitely try in 2022. Before you leave, make sure to like and share the video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Ring the bell icon to stay notified about all our latest videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.